This is one of the weirdest. I looked at this and I didn't even think it was real. I'm still not convinced it's real. I don't know. Work from home on this giant Apple iPhone 6 inspired desk for $275. Apparently that's a real desk you can buy.
Oh.
As if you don't see your phone enough. Your desk is a giant phone staring back at you with a drawer for your laptop. I mean, wait a second, Will. You're into this?
No, I'm not. Does the screen work?
No. It's $200, man.
Oh. Well, someone should. Come on.
It's
make it happen.
I'm also noticing, is that perfume on the desk or alcohol? What is that?
It's both.
Is it? And then, I like the cappuccino. That's kind of nice.
Yeah. Is that a Bible? That's not a Bible.
No, it's like
textbook.
It's like an art or something.
No. It's a niche. Someone would want it. Maybe Justine. She might like something like this.
You tell her to pick that up? Maybe, yeah. For what though? For not to actually work at? To have as like a prop?
Sure.
It looks kind of cramped to work at.
Yeah.
Well, here's what it says. It's 105 centimeters wide, 52 centimeters deep, 75 centimeters tall. And the tray that comes out is apparently a nod to the SIM card tray. It is already sold out in every color, but more are expected to come in stock on the South Korean website 10x10, where it's selling for $275 USD. It's also listed on a website called Shopee for $371 USD. I don't know, man. All right, maybe we should order it.
Something.
Maybe we should order it. See if it's real.
Is it only in pink?
No, every color.
Oh, okay.
Every color the phone came in. It's certainly weird as a prop. I agree with you on that. Like, it would be cool as a prop. But as far as a real desk to work at, kind of insane.
Yeah, I would say so.
Kind of insane.
Mm-hmm.